How to loop video on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. To loop a video on iPhone, you will need to download this app iMovie. You can get this app easily from your app store. This app is free of cost. After you download this app, you have to open it. Now this kind of page will appear. From here you have to select this option of movie. Tap on it. Now your gallery will open up. From here you can select the video that you want to loop. Here I'm gonna select this one. After you select the video, tap on create movie given at the bottom. Now what you need to do is you will find different options over here. You have to tap on this option of duplicate. And here you can see that I have just looped this video. Again you can do the same. This is very easy and simple process. This is how you can loop a video on iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. And after you are done, you can tap on done given at the top left corner. And now you are good to go. You can just use this video for any purpose you need it. This is how you can loop a video on iPhone. I hope now you guys are totally clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.